Now, I know what you are thinking. Is it worth it? Are travel agents still relevant? I used to think this a while back. You know, is this even worth it? You know, there's so many competition. You got online sites. Are travel agents still necessary? Are they still worth it? And I'm going to share with you why travel agents are still relevant and will always be relevant today. So here's why travel agents are still needed. Travel agents have access to sites and suppliers that consumers don't. Okay. If you go through Priceline, Expedia, TripAdvisor, Booking.com, what are you? Priceline, what else? And the list goes on and on. So uh, that's you will have options to book vacation, but your options are very limited. Okay. The only deals you will get are the deals that they provide you. Okay. With a travel agent has the flexibility to find the best deal. Okay. The best quality deal. Okay. You might find a cheaper price on one of the online sites, but guess what? You, with a travel agent, you'll have better quality vacation. And guess what? Travel agents also have the option to price match. Okay, so quality, you will have that access. So you won't see that on a lot of online sites, and I'm gonna go more in depth on that later on. Okay. Travel agents can set up payment plans. Most online consumer sites can't do that. Okay. Um, so a lot of them will require you to pay up front for your vacation. So think about it. You know, you have a little bit more well, I ain't say a little bit, a lot more flexibility with a travel agent. So you can customize and tailor your trip better with a travel agent versus going online, because you go online, you pretty much gonna get what they give you. They're in control. They give you what they want you to have. Okay, what benefits them the most. However, a travel agent is concerned about your needs, what benefits you the most. Okay, they're not all about making money. It's about building a relationship with their clients. Okay, so a travel agent would be more passionate about making your vacation the best that it can be for you and tailor it to your needs. Okay, online, hey, it's all about what they give you. Just being honest. All right. Some people don't like the hassle of research. So there's a lot of people that don't want to look up their own vacation, don't want to do all the research and finding the best deal. So yes, travel agents are still needed. A lot of people like to outsource that headache. You know, outsource. Okay, I don't want to look up this cruise, or I may not have time to look up certain deals. Okay, guess what? Outsource it, give it to a travel agent. Not only will you get a best deal, but you get a better quality deal. You have a lot of incentives and perks attached to that with the agent. Okay, with an online site, you don't. And I'm gonna break it down a little bit further. Okay, making that decision alone is scary. It's scary to put all this together by yourself. So a lot of people are fear of doing the research. Okay, a lot of people like, you know, the heck with this. I'd rather just hire someone to do all this for me and find me the best deal, because guess what? As a consumer, you are limited. Okay, you're only limited to those websites that you have online. A lot of sites you won't have access to because you're not a registered agent. You will only have access to a huge database of suppliers if you have access to that, you know, by being a travel agent. So guys, you're very, very limited just by consuming on online sites for your personal travel. And plus, you're not getting paid nowhere. So it just makes sense. If something goes wrong, an agent can be on call for your needs. Not with Expedia, Priceline, or on most online sites. If something goes wrong with the trip, you can call your agent, hey, I need this right quick, or something happened. They be right there to assist you. Okay, that's what agents are for. They assist you with your needs. Okay, think about it. They concerned about what your trip is about, concerned about your needs. Okay, online sites, all they want is your money. Give you a trip, get your money. However, Travel agents are more passionate because not only you're a client, y'all built a relationship. Okay, so they're concerned about your needs. So if something goes wrong, that you have that support. Okay, for the site, you won't have that support. Okay,